Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1971 Buick Skylark. It is a GSX tribute car, clone, whatever you want to call it. Love this car, guys. This thing is gorgeous. Lot of car for the money, I'll tell you that right now. You probably hear that a lot from me because it costs so much to build these things, but there's no way you could build this car for the money. Beautiful Cortez gold metallic on it. It glows, guys. Once we pull it out here and you get it to see it out in the sunshine, you'll see what I mean. It kind of come off in a couple of the photos. It's afternoon sun, and so it's hiding in the shadows a little bit, but a buddy of mine who actually found this car for me out of Tennessee, he knows the guy who painted it, put all the GSX striping and everything on it, and just a gorgeous car. Very recent frame-up restoration. They say the car's been done for about 3 years, and it is slick. It's got the 15.8 Buick Rallys on it, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. According to the previous owner, they actually they had a wrecked Grand Sport that they actually took the drivetrain and everything out and put in this car. And this car's got a stage 1 aluminum intake in it, but just beautiful car. I mean, this car is slick, and man, it runs and drives like a little sweetheart. Something in the chrome there. But gorgeous car. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. Of course, it's got the ram air hood, that super cool hood. If you've watched my videos before, you know I'm a big Buick fan. I love these cars. They are awesome cars to begin with. See if I can get that filled over at the glass shop with a stone peck there. They're great cars. They run out good. They drive good. They were just a way nicer car than a Chevelle. You can see it's got the black vinyl top. This is the factory color combination as well. It is Cortez gold metallic with the factory sandalwood interior. Sandalwood's a little tough to describe to you. Light tan, off-white, I guess is the way I'd describe it. Great car though. It's got all the GSX front and rear spoilers. It's got all the GSX striping and badging. They did a great job laying this stuff down. I love the color combination. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, love those 15x8-inch rallies. They look great on this car. Great stance. Paint just pops. When this thing comes out in the sun, you're going to see it just jumps off this car. This is a little wax, guys. Nice and straight. Great car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I was coming back from a show hoping to just start advertising everything, and if you'd have seen this place this morning, it was covered in ice. It's crazy. Just a little wax on there, sorry. Front disc brakes, dual sport mirrors. So again, this is the, they said they took this car and they had a wrecked Grand Sport 350. This is the engine and trans out of that car. And of course it's got, I think they said the rear end too, because it's got the box control arms for the rear sway bar too. It's got stage 1 aluminum intake, 4-barrel. You can see it's got all the ram air induction hood and air cleaner and everything, ceramic headers. It's got the aluminum Buick valve covers, HEI distributor. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. This is an outstanding car. And again, drives like a little baby doll. Power steering, front disc brakes, 350 turbohydramatic trans. Oh, this is super cool too. So I didn't catch this at first. Of course, the GS emblems you can buy, right? A GSX would have had stickers on here, would have the decals. They made that X emblem that's all over this car. Super cool. So those are one of one emblems. Beautiful car, man. Turn the key, go have fun kind of Buick right here. Hood tach, it works. Again, dual sport mirrors. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. This car's only showing 47,000, which they say is right, but you know, you just never know. But you can see it, those are original door rubbers, original door tag. Factory remote mirror, again, sandalwood interior, off-white, light tan. Factory bench seat car. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. Of course, it's got the sport steering wheel. Killer car. Yeah, 47,600. Nice clean gauges. I know a tilt wheel or tilt column. It's got some aftermarket gauges there. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood sound system, but the original radio and bezel is there in the trunk. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, it's got the stock 10-bolt rear with a box control arms and rear sway bar. No big gear or anything. It's definitely a highway gear. Spares in here. Again, the original radio's in this box over here. All the original owner's manuals and brochures are in here. Again, this is your original radio, and then that's the new bezel for it. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Again, there's all your owner's manuals and brochures. Outstanding car, man. Everything opens and closes real nice. Nice and clean underneath. The floors are nice and clean. It's just a killer car. That's what I'm talking about. The GSXs have that sticker, and they made that emblem, which is cool. Door seams are nice and clean. Kind of see that in the sun. A goldish tint to it. I don't know how you would describe that. Very nice though. It looks good with the gold, I'll tell you that. Again, those gauges are nice and clean. Tilt column's cool. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Again, you can pick, same thing on this side. It looks like it's got the original door handles. You can pick those. I think all the side glass, rear glass, all that stuff is factory there. You can kind of see that gold in it pops. This is a great car, man. Love the look, like I say, slick paint. Gauges all work. You can hear the radio in there working. Doors open and close nice. The fit and finish is great. Mike. Good sound. Radio works. Car holds good oil pressure. Blower motor works. Wipers. Oh, hold on a second, Mike. Hold on. Show them the hood tack. I forgot about the hood tack. Hood tack works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look at that car pop, man. Look at the paint. I mean, it glows. Yeah, we got ice everywhere. Have a great day, guys.